everybody, welcome back to the Underground Lair at Stringman Guitars. We have an unboxing video today. It's Christmas time in the city. Alright, so yeah, I started opening and I said, oh, I'm going to do a video. So the first thing I got is, I was over at, what is the craft store? Hobby Lobby. And I wanted to buy some more of these things because I was down to just one. That's what I use to put my guitar grease, that stuff there, into fret slots. And they wanted $5.99, I think, $5.49 for 10 of those. Well, I went on Amazon, and though they're a different color, they're exactly the same. And they have, and this is perfect for like getting around well, you know, like I said, getting the lubrication in the nut slots, and the, why didn't you open? Must be cut back a little bit. Scissors. Okay, so yeah, you got a Floyd Rose, you've got saddles that need to be lubricated, whatever, any of that kind of stuff. And it's just hard to get in there with anything. Q-tips are too big. So I use, man, that's a tough standby. Oh, that was a really, really tough zipper thing there. Ziplocky thing. So yeah, essentially the same thing. There you go. One's blue. One's yellow. They got the same kind of cotton tip on them, and these were $6.99 on the Amazon for all these. I don't know how many I got here, but it's way more than 10. It's like 100. Let's see what else we have. Oh, this. Oh, here we go. We're going to be able to do much better camera stuff. Let's unbox this thing. So what do we get in here? It's a Panasonic Mirror-less G100. Evidently the vlogger's choice from what YouTube says. So you get a nice owner's manual, nice thick, hard to figure out owner's manual. Multi-language. There we go. We get the camera body, which is pretty cool. Ta-da! And it has a flip out screen so I can see what the heck I'm doing when I'm filming my work. And then it comes with a strap, which I probably won't use. Comes with a battery, which I probably won't. Oh, that's a charger. And there's a USB-C cable. No, it's a USB 2 cable, or micro USB, or USB. And a battery. That's what you get. Now, for my uses, I don't like to use a battery. I like to use the power, so that way you don't have to worry about your battery going out when you're in the middle of a job and having to go find another battery. Just put this stuff back in the box, because I'll definitely need to do some reading. And I like that feel. I like the feel of this. This has like supposedly a 5-way microphone. You could also plug in a wireless mic. It has the ability to record from all kind of different directions. So like you know, if I'm in front of it talking, it'll pick up my voice no matter what direction this is. So that's cool. I really don't like using the tripodinator there with the being off the desk there. I'd rather be kind of sky view, and get an on stage camera adapter for a microphone stand, which I think is pretty cool. Holds up to 6 pounds, and that's, I don't even think, 2 pounds. Nickel steel plated construction, 180 degree tilt, has a ball end, and then the mount for your camera, and it's threaded to go on the microphone stand, like so. Yeah, there's the whole flip-de-doody, and it does screw onto your microphone stand. So that way I can have Skycam. So it will be like that. Push that up against it, and then this is your pivot adjustment for your screw, and your mounting adjustment for the camera. I think that's a pretty cool idea. Let's take a look and see how that works out. But I can now take this thing and film like so. Over my projects, and of course it'll go up and out of my way too, so I won't be bumping into it with my head. And over here is what I think, if I remember my ordering process, it is a power adapter, or as they say, a dummy battery, so you can use the power to use your camera with a cable. There's severe lack of finger power down here in the cold underbelly of the underground lair. So yeah, here we go. There's your power adapter. The other part of the power adapter, the dummy battery. There's where that goes. Okay, it locks in place without having the battery door doesn't have to be closed, evidently. That plugs into this, which then plugs into this, which then plugs into my strip down here. And I guess that's how that works. Panasonic Lumix DC G100K. I've got to do some reading up on it because this thing does quite a bit more than my Canon camcorder does. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this video. I am believing that you can move this little door right here and be able to feed the wire from the dummy battery in there. So I got to do some ciphering and learning here. So thank you for watching. Peace. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a good day.